We go from 2 knots of speed to 6 knots, depending of the gust.
Damn. Ah, that's nice. I guess a police car running for her life, and this is there is a wave destroying boats all around here, and then at this corner, and all the way down.
Max is actually re-anchor their boat for them. I don't know, they're a very, very strong wind.
Okay, so after 2 days in Lemongrade, or whatever the name of this bay was, Limonari, we are leaving. We are gonna go to Skopelo. The place is beautiful. It's impossible to stay at night. It doesn't matter where the wind comes from. A swell, a meter high, 70 centimeters, builds up at night. And today I went to sleep at midnight and I woke up at 1, going side by side like crazy. And I will put a video about it. And so we are leaving. Beautiful place, beautiful to do one day, but not to stay at night. So we should have a little bit of wind, about 70 knots, but it's gonna be running it up. So it should be a nice downwind sail to the place we are going to. So good. So in the perfect tradition of the Aegean, no, this is the Aegean, we have the wind is 9 knots, but the gust is 20. So we have no main, almost 2 reef on the jib, and we go from 2 knots of speed to 6 knots, depending of the gust. We are rounding the island of Skopelos. It will, well, we are rounding. When I say we are rounding, it will take us at least 20 minutes to round the island, and then we will for sure need to motor, because the wind will be directly in front of us, which is already doing. No, there was one gust coming from in front of us. You saw that? One gust coming from in front of us, and then the rest is coming from 60 degrees. Yeah, Aegean. It went from 20 knots to none knots.
We are not gonna sleep. Oh, there's another flood.
Ce ne andiamo, eh?
Another sleepless night.
So, after a day, not a day,
No,
3 hours.
good afternoon.
Yeah, 3 hours. It took us 3 hours to do the whole 9 nautical miles against wind and against waves.
Yeah.
But we are here in Skopatanto? No,
Skopelos.
Skopelos. In Skopelos, we are going to see.
Which we discovered that this is the island where they film Mamma Mia.
I didn't discover shit. She discovered that, and I don't care.
There's another flag.
You don't need to point out every single cat that we see. absolutely not needed.
Hi.
Hello. But that's a really nice thing. In the Barf in London, all of the boats inside look like that. E il chill out qua è figo? Se li posso aiutare.
What happened?
Il cretino si sta facendo le unghie nel paddleboard, sappilo. Pezzo di merda.
Ma se le unghie di Vlad, lui può fare tutto quello che vuole.
Yeah. So people is out of the boats again. Out of nowhere. It's about 3 a.m., 4 a.m. and wind picked up to 35. And people is out of their boats. Controlling. Our boat is not moving 1 inch, but the 6 boats on our side are pushing against us. All these guys are pushing against us, and we don't have anyone. Well, these guys on our side are really detached, so that's good. Just want to be sure that everything's okay. Our anchor looks okay. This guy's anchors looks okay. Damn you, Aegean. But there's gonna be a really nice sunrise. Anyhow, as I always said, this is life in the Aegean. Let's see what's the sea state outside. Well, I can't see the sea state, but the sunrise. Damn. Ah, that's nice. You can literally see everyone that didn't pull on their change good enough. You can see how they move. This guy move, this guy move, that guy move. We don't move. Those guys move, those guys move. It's this boat against this boat, because this boat, this one here, they got their anchor picked up yesterday by another boat that was leaving, and they had to re-anchor, but the guy was already drunk, so on his excuse, he's Polish, so it's like he will be drunk. So he re-anchored, but not that well apparently, and these guys came in last yesterday. Really nice people, bankers from Luxembourg, and they I thought they were a little bit better, but still I see that their boat moves quite a lot. But on the other hand, it is holding 36.5 was the maximum I saw when I was on the boat, but it's getting to 40 now. I'm happy it is nighttime, because the ferry boats are not working right now, because this is the infamous Skopelos port, where that video of that wave bashing and destroying all of the boats on against the deck is this deck. You can see it here, right? That from there, that's where the wake, that video starts with that wake, and there is a car, I think it's a police car, running for her life, and this is there is a wave destroying boats all around here, and then at this corner and all the way down just to that corner, which is the last corner before the goat. So we ask around, and where we parked ourselves should be the last safe place where to anchor, moor, berth. But on the other hand, the Coast Guard told us, well, yeah, that's you are okay there, but if a Maltemi starts, which is this one, what happens is that the ferry boats, they need to enter quite a high speed in order to make the turn, and they leave that wake, and the guy's like, well, if it's a really severe Maltemi, which it is, I don't know if you're gonna be safe there. But anyhow, it's every day a new discovery, every day a new reason to not sleep. It's still better than being in the office, guys, so not an issue for me. I'm really happy.
Today episodes of Charter People Do Charter Shit. It's been blowing 36 since this morning at 3 a.m. and these charter guys decided to. They were anchored. I saw them. They were anchored. Everyone is anchored. Well, not that well, but they are anchored. They decided to re-anchor in 40 knots inside of the bay. And of course, to do so, they need to go with the stern against the wind. So they are now crossing they're going to cross everyone's anchor. This is gonna be messy as hell. Just for that. I really don't think that's a good idea. They are dropping now, and it's going sideways, of course. I imagine they had a really good reason to do something like that, but it is going to be freaking hard. Everyone woke up at 3 a.m. today. It's blowing like crazy. The best choice he had is actually to go more there. Wind is coming from there, and that the city is actually blocking. You can see that those boats are not moving that much, but in anyhow, the wind will actually push you against the wall instead of, you know, going sideways like they're going. That was such a bad idea to go out and try to re-anchor. That was really, really a bad idea. I don't know if anyway, is there anything I can do to help them? I have my dinghy in the water, so the one thing that I could do for them is actually push their stern and keep it up. I think they decided to go somewhere else. I really hope they're not gonna try to go out. It's definitely not sailing weather today. Ah, damn, the big cat is coming in. These cats, when they enter with this wind, they need to enter at full throttle. And apparently, apparently that creates that wake that I showed you guys on the video. But now the cat is arriving and these guys are going this way. I think they decided they're putting in the bumpers and everything. So I think they just decided to just go, get the hell out of here. But that doesn't look like a. There's no way I can tell them that the big cat is coming in. Ah, fuck these guys. I can't scream from here. And the entrance is really narrow, as you can see. They're going to meet the cat exactly at the narrowest part, with the wake, with the wind, with everything. Ah, damn, poor guys. Oh no. I think he's trying to anchor at the beginning of the pier, but he's gonna be crossing. Oh, fuck, damn it. The cat is entering right now. He's in the middle of the bay. Oh, fuck. Damn. Give motor. Oy. Okay, I think the cat saw them. Ah, they made it.
Hi. Hello. Sorry, excuse me. A guy came here and told us that in an hour will come a ferry, and we are a little bit too much close. It's danger for the mast to touch.
Okay.
In an hour, so it's not possible to you take a little bit of space in the other side, maybe pull you a little bit.
Yeah, we can have a look at it.
Thank you very much. A guy from the Port Authority came to us and told us that in an hour we will have probably a problem with the ferry. Is about to come inside and there's strong wind, so he has to come with a little bit of engine, so it will probably raise a big wave, and we are too close with the boat beside us, and so he told us that we will probably crash our mast into each other. So it's a big problem. On the other side we have space, but on this side, I don't know. we start the engine for precaution and ready for the ferry. My God, it's big. My
It's funny
God.
because that guy sounds like, do with this information what you want.
Yeah.
The guy's like, I'm coming in and you can do with this information now, but that doesn't look like he's really leaving a big wake behind him.
Okay, that's the wave.
Yeah, my wife is Italian.
What do you speak together?
No, we speak Italian.
Speak Italian?
Yeah, I stay in Italy. I spent about 20 years in Italy.
Morning. It's 3 in the morning and the boat beside us is dragging the anchor, so Max is outside with some neighbor to help them re-anchor, and we have like, I don't know, 32 knots gust of wind. Oh.
Okay, so the best thing to do is you need to live here, right? So you will use that line first.
Wow, look at that. They're crushing the boat against the wall. Max is actually re-anchor their boat for them. I don't know, they're very, very strong wind.